Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, back on your screens once again. And to my new subscribers, welcome. To my oldies, what's good, what's popping? And let me show you something cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all are probably wondering, why is she doing that? I've been waking up too early. I want you guys to tell me if you've ever seen my hair do that. You've never seen my hair do that, right? I have found a solution. I have found a solution to everybody that has been saying I do not know how to twist, even though I took out a video. And for everybody that says that they cannot wash their hair in twists. Okay, so without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Look, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So my beautiful people, these are not twists. This is African threading. And I have found a technique that literally mimics how my twists look like. From afar, you would think that these are twists. These are not twists. This is African threading. I threaded my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. A lot of you guys, like I mentioned, always complain and say that you can't wash your hair in twists. So I found a solution that's gonna work for everybody. I realized that there are some other natural gurus that suggest that you must grow your natural hair stretched, or it's better to make sure that your hair is stretched, or you're keeping it in a protective styling where it's stretched, right? I started, okay, well, I didn't really record this part, but I tried to use normal thread, the one that you use for clothing. It didn't work for me because it was just too time consuming, because you have to either double up the string or the thread, or 3 threads or 4. I don't know if that makes sense, but like, instead of just taking one, because that's just too little, too fragile, you have to use a bit, you have to double it up, or maybe even if you want to stretch it, use 4 pieces and then start wrapping your hair. I decided just to stop doing that and use yarn/wool. All black people know that, especially if you live in South Africa, that you can style your hair with wool, okay? I will try to find some pictures here. I do not know what they call it in South Africa. What do we call it? That's all I know. I don't know what you call it in English. I really do not know, but yeah, so this is what I did. I will show you exactly how I did that. I think this is a great solution to combat all the problems, but I don't know how to twist. There we go. I mean, who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Tell me, who's gonna know? No one's gonna know that you don't know how to twist, because this literally looks like twist. Like, I'm not even lying. The evidence is on my hair. You see that? And can we just talk about, I'm looking cute. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me I'm looking cute today, because I really am. You guys know I always come here looking like a hobo, but today I was like, you know, I'm even going to wear a dress. I don't wear dresses, but today you can't see it, but I'm wearing a dress. It has flowers, it's summery like, and I'm just feeling good because I accomplished this hairstyle. This is the first time I do this. I like it, I love it. I'm not going to be taking it out for the next 2 to 3 weeks, so every time you guys see me upload a video, you won't be seeing my hair, but you must still watch the video, because I feel like some of you guys, just because I don't touch my hair, you won't watch the content. Stop it. God is looking at you. So I am going to be showing you guys how I maintain, moisturize, the whole shebang. I'm very tempted to add some chebe powder into this and see what happens. You guys must let me know if you want me to do that, but we will do that maybe after 3 weeks. Nah? We don't want to do too much. And the thing about this is that we can wear it in so many styles. You know what? Every time I come up here, I'm going to show you guys different styles. Like, I promise you that, okay? Just so it can be realistic, because this is honestly a realistic hairstyle that it's professional. You can wear this to work, you can wear this to a party. I actually don't know where you're going. It's a pandemic. where you going? So I don't want to talk too much. Let me show you guys how I basically did it, and leave all your comments. Please comment. If you watch, comment, say hi, how are you, say your lipstick is nice even if you don't think it is. Say something, okay? Say, I see your plant over there, I see it, and I see that you change the plant all the time every time you record. I feel like nobody even notices that, but whatever. Yeah, so I will insert how I accomplish this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay folks, so the first thing we're going to do is section off the hair and use some hibiscus for moisture. Use your favorite leave-in conditioner and then follow that up with your shea butter. Make sure that you're squeezing in the products, guys. You don't just want them laying there, and once you're ready, just section your hair. Decide on the section you want to wrap and put that to the side, and then pick which material you would like to use between wool / yarn or a normal sewing thread that is used for clothing. You're going to leave a little bit of that and make sure that you hold it using your index finger, and then wrap around it about 4 times. So 4 loops, just to make sure that it's nice and secure and strong. You don't want your yarn slipping off, okay? That you don't want. Guys, please make sure you're not making this too tight. You want to be able to sleep without a headache, okay? Then once you're ready, just start moving down slowly and use your thumb to, like, as a helper to decide how much space you want to leave in between the thread, and also use your thumb to secure the wool so that it doesn't fly around and you have to look for it. If you do yoga, you're going to have amazing wrist strength after this. Make sure that you wrap until the ends. You want to make sure that they're nice and covered. These are the grandmas and the oppas, you know that they're very fragile. And then just pinch a little bit where the ends of your hair end, and then just snip it a little, like just pinch it and then start wrapping going upward. I'm doing this just to thicken up my ends, because you know the hair just becomes skinny at the end, so I just want to make sure that it is nice and thick. And then once you're ready, you're going to tie. You can like just use your 2 fingers and then take the wool, wrap it around, and then throw it like under it, and then just tie. I think the video shows it much clearer than I'm explaining. And then I'm going to wrap going down again just to thicken it up a bit more, and then tie it again. Make sure that you tie right directly to the, like, you know, where it forms a circle on the string. And then once you're done, just cut that. I'm going to repeat the same method here. And the cool thing about African threading is that it helps to retain your length. So guys, if anyone's gonna say something's gonna grow your hair, tell them that they're lying, because Tshidi said so. Your hair grows based on genetics and the things that you eat, consistent hair regimen, and using the right products for your hair type. And then just tie it again. And if you feel like you want to wrap, guys, it's your hair, you know what it needs, okay? I don't know how thin or thick your hair is, and you don't have to do this if you took a thicker section than this. All right, I just wanted something that literally mimics my twists, and literally that's it. It's simple, straight to the point. And if it's your wash days, you can section up your hair into like 12 sections and then wrap it around, wash your hair, and then you will see what they mean when they say this is a great length retainer, because you guys are not playing in your hair. You detangle in your hair once a month, and you if that is on your wash day, and then you basically thread your hair up. You're not playing with your hair, and that's what natural hair loves. My tip would be, the more yarn you use, I suggest that you actually use a bit more product, because your hair has to shade between the yarn and your normal hair. And make sure that you're using moisture retaining kind of products. And also please wrap your hair, guys, and this is a great time for you to start focusing on your scalp, because it's right there. Might as well get into scalp massaging. I obviously do not know how to behave, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.